Alright, today we're just going to do a quick lesson on how to navigate our TI-Nspire a little bit more. That's probably maybe even one of the hardest things, but once we get it, it's pretty intuitive. So why don't we go to our main screen, and first of all I'm going to open up a screen, and I have this guy right here. So I can do some basic calculations. 5 to the power of 2 equals, maybe I want to find the square root of 9, so I do control square root. 9, there we go. And I want to delete that, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to enter, and maybe I want to do one other weird thing. Let's do I don't know, a fraction. So control divide 8 divided by 85 on the top over 3. We're going to multiply this fraction times another fraction, which is 6 over, and here's my negative symbol. Never confuse your minus and your negative. Negative 2. Enter. Alright. So we have that, and I can also go up here and I can click on 1.1, and that shows me my other page. Now I'm going to open up a third page. So I want to go home, and I'm going to open up a table and a graph. So we're going to go here, and I'm going to type in my f of x equals 2x, and I'm going to hit enter. I have a beautiful line, and I'm going to go to menu, and I want to go to table. Now some calculators have table in view, but this one has it under table, depending on what operating system you've upgraded to. So we're going to do a full screen table, and I get this beautiful thing. So I can go up here and click on these individually, but there's another way I can do this. If you look around the keypad, there are all these different buttons. So if I want to go to my previous one, I can go to control this guy, but I'm all the way back. So let's do control here. And that's another way of going to your next screen. Another way of going to your next screen is to hit control, and see how there's a button up here shows all the screens? Little section, we're going to hit that. And now I can actually see my screens. In fact, let's say I'm done with this guy. I think I'm tired of it. I want to delete the whole thing. I can go to control here, and I can actually just hit delete, and I've gotten rid of that screen, so I don't have like 30 screens open. It's a way to kind of keep it narrowed down. I don't need it anymore, just get rid of it. So and now I want to go that way. You can also jump between. I can get 4 or 5 different graphs up, and I can navigate between them fairly quickly. So we can collapse all, we can group them, expand all, we can do all kinds of stuff, but that's kind of for you to play with. So that's how we navigate between screens. If we wanted to, we could even open up a spreadsheet. We'll talk about this more later, but it works a lot like an Excel spreadsheet. And then I can go here, now you see I have 3 screens, but I decided I actually don't want this screen anymore, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to delete it. Alright, well that's pretty much all I have for today, just navigating through all these screens. Hope that helped. Bye.